The business world is changing fast. To win, you need to be where your customers are online. Digital marketing offers incredible opportunities to reach your target audience. Ignoring it means falling behind. We empower your business to thrive in this digital landscape. Traditional marketing methods are losing their effectiveness. Businesses need to adapt to survive. We provide cutting-edge digital marketing solutions. Our expertise helps you connect with customers more effectively than ever before. Imagine this, your ads reach the right people in the right place at the right time. With geo-targeting, you can pinpoint your audience with incredible accuracy. That's the power of geo-targeting. It allows you to tailor your marketing campaigns to specific geographic areas, ensuring maximum relevance and impact. It lets you focus your advertising efforts on specific geographic locations, whether it's a city, neighborhood, or even a particular street. This ensures that your message reaches the most receptive audience. Geo-targeting is incredibly versatile, adapting to various platforms and devices. You can use it for connected TV, CTV advertising to target households watching specific shows, making your ads more relevant and engaging. Reach audiences on Hulu, ESPN, Bloomberg, MTV, and more. We'll help you reach potential customers on their computers, smartphones, and tablets through web and mobile advertising, capturing their attention wherever they are. Have your business featured on Forbes, Amazon, eBay, USA Today, Walmart, and more. Even target commuters with digital radio ads tailored to their location, ensuring your message is heard during their daily routines. Geo-targeting makes your advertising smarter and more effective. Be heard on Spotify, Pandora, iHeartRadio, Sirius XM, and much more. Why is geo-targeting so effective? It minimizes wasted ad spend. Your message reaches people who are actually likely to be interested in your products or services. This results in a higher return on investment, or ROI, for your marketing budget. But the benefits don't stop there. Geo-targeting increases brand visibility within your target market. It drives foot traffic to your physical store if you have one. It also provides valuable data and insights into consumer behavior. Section 4. Expanding your reach through diverse platforms. We don't just stop at geo-targeting. Our approach goes beyond traditional methods. We manage your advertising campaigns across a variety of powerful platforms, ensuring that your message reaches the right audience at the right time. This ensures maximum reach and impact for your brand, allowing you to connect with potential customers in ways you never thought possible. Our team of experts will craft compelling ad campaigns that resonate with your target audience, using data-driven insights to optimize performance. From Facebook's vast user base to TikTok's viral potential, we know how to harness the unique advantages of each platform. We utilize each platform's strengths to create a cohesive and effective marketing strategy. YouTube allows us to engage viewers with captivating video content, making your brand memorable and impactful. Meanwhile, Google Ads ensures your business appears at the top of search results, driving traffic and conversions. By utilizing these diverse platforms, we help you expand your reach and achieve your marketing goals. Section 5. Partner with us. Ready to unlock your business's true potential? Don't let the digital revolution pass you by. Our team of experts is ready to help you navigate the ever-evolving world of online marketing. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, our expertise can drive your success. Contact us today for a free consultation. Let us help you craft a tailored digital marketing strategy that delivers exceptional results. Together, let's take your business to new heights in the digital age. Thank you for watching.